Hello superstars, today we are diving into a powerful tool for valuing stocks, the discounted cash flow analysis, or we call DCF in short. Now imagine you stumbled upon a magical time traveling device. That's what DCF is like. It's like a method that helps us predict companies' future cash flows and then brings them back to the present. In other words, it tells us how much a company's future earnings are worth today. The first step in DCF analysis is to estimate companies' future cash flows. You could think of this like predicting how many apples an apple tree will produce in future. Next, we discount these future cash flows to find their present value. We do this because $1 in the future is not worth as much as $1 today. This is due to a concept known as the time value of money. Let's explore this concept first. The time value of money. The time value of money, often abbreviated as TVM, is a principle that suggests that money available to you today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why? Well, it's because the potential earning capacity of money, which provides you with the ability to earn the interest. So let's consider an example so that you understand it better. If I offer you $100 now or $100 a year from now, which one would you choose? Most of you would choose $100 now. Why? Because you could invest this $100 and earn interest on it. Now that we understand the basic concept, let's dive deeper into the components of time value of money. There are mainly 5 variables involved in time value of money calculations. First one, present value. Second one, future value. Third one, interest rate. Fourth one, number of time periods. And the fifth one, payments. Now let's discuss each one. Present value is the worth of the money you have now. Future value is the worth of the money you will have in the future. The interest rate is the percentage that is used to calculate the future value of the money from the present value. The number of time periods can be months, years, quarters, etc. The payments refer to the regular amounts added to an investment. Let's take an example. Suppose you have $5,000 that you want to invest in a savings account that offers you 5% annual interest rate. You plan to leave the money in the account for 5 years. So you have invested $5,000 at an interest rate of 5% per year and you left it there for 5 years. Now let's look at the future value of this investment. Let's see the formula for it. The future value will be as follows. The future value equals present value multiplied by 1 plus interest rate power to the n. Here the n is the number of time periods. Substituting the values as we get, future value will be equal to $5,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05, that is the 5% interest rate, power 5, which is 5 years. That will be equal to $6,381. So your $5,000 will grow to $6,381 in 5 years at an annual interest rate of 5%. So that's the magic of time value of money. So this goes other way as well. That's what we are talking right now, which is called the discounted cash flow. So this 6381, which is a future value in 5 years, is its present value is $5,000 at an interest rate of 5% per annum. If you consider the variables and assumptions here, interest rate is one variable, time frame of 5 years is another variable, and the future cash flow is an assumption based on the present performance of a company and the future plans. So remember, $1 today is worth more than the dollar tomorrow. That's the time value of money. And understanding it is the first step towards successful investing. Let's look at a famous example. In 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion. At that time, Instagram has zero revenue. Then how is it valued at $1 billion? Because Facebook calculated its future revenue and earnings and then discounted it to the present value and considered that the Instagram is worth $1 billion in its present terms, even though the revenue at that time is zero. So now fast forward to today. Instagram is estimated to be worth more than $100 billion. Intriguing, isn't it? Now you must be wondering how to calculate these future cash flows and how to discount them. That's what is the time value of money that we've discussed just now. There is an interest rate and the time period as well, right? From them, once you understand the future cash flows, then discount it based on the interest rate and the time periods that we discussed in time value of money. Remember, mastering DCF analysis can be a game changer in your stock valuation journey. It's like having a time traveling device that can guide you to a potentially profitable investments. That's our introduction to DCF analysis. Now we know fundamental analysis, valuation ratios, and discounted cash flow analysis. These are the basic steps to evaluate a company's valuation. Now you can identify an undervalued company and invest, or identify an overvalued company and avoid investing in it.